Hello traders, I'm recommending 5 stocks for tomorrow. The first stock is Berger Paints. Today it closed above the all-time high of the stock and it closed above that level. So we can initiate a buy above 850 and the target will be open with a small stops of 5 rupees we can keep. And the next stock I am recommending is Motilal Oswal Financial Services. If we check in the weekly time frame, it has broken this trend line with a good volume, and by tomorrow it can hit the target of 1000. That will be the psychological target 1000. Sellers, that means who have bought this stock tomorrow, they can sell at this 1000 level, and the second target will be 1037. The first target will be 1000, second target will be 1037. And the next stock I am recommending is Bajaj Finserv. If we check in daily time frame, today it has given good moment, and we can initiate a buy about 12,400 with a target of 12,500. Thus we can keep the trailing stop loss. And one more thing, today it almost gained 283 points. By tomorrow, if it gaps up in the first candle itself, it can achieve this target, or if it opens flat, if any 15 minutes candle closes above 12,400, then only initiate a buy, or else please don't trade on this stock. The next stock I am recommending is Conquer. If you check in daily time frame, see this pattern, it has given breakout and is given a good rally, and now it is in the consolidation phase in this pattern. This we can initiate buy or sell. That means if it breaks above or is breakdown, we can initiate a buy or sell. The buy target will be almost at this level 730, and the sell target will be 658. Based on that, please take the trade. And the next stock I am recommending is Sun TV. This is also same as Conquer. Like it is like today it has stopped on this trend line. We can initiate a sell below 520 with a target of 513, and next target will be 500. Or if I initiate a buy above 530 with a target of 540 at this level, at the 540 level, at this level 540, and the next target will be 550. For this, the stop loss will be 523 on this trend line buy level. Or tomorrow this may give a fake breakout and can go up. Please trade based on the price action only. You please take trade based on price action, either in buy or sell. These are the 5 stocks I had recommended for tomorrow. And yeah, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe. And if you want any stock recommendations, like any buy or sell, like at what point we can buy or sell, please comment under the video so that I can check and I will give the buy targets or the sell targets. Thank you.